Is this one my chick burger out yesterday?
These are shreds so sick.
Right there where you're at, right there where you're at. Those are my chicks at.
Please. Do you want to play with? Do not zoom at me.
Welcome to the internet.
Welcome to the internet.
Look in my eyes and come catch a vibe, baby. I promise I got you tonight. Trapped in your phone screen. Life gon' pass you in one ear and out the other. With everything I ask you, you a slave to your socials. Make sure you take a picture with me, bitch, cause I'm poppin'. Post it up proper. All of them filters, they got you looking like a model. What would you do if we went to a party way out in the desert and no one could reach you? You ain't have nothing but music and family and friends, all the people who actually need you. Do you really gotta check your phone every fucking 2 minutes? Dance with me and let's have a drink. Go crazy, don't care what people think. Lead a party, take off your shoes, break all the rules and run down the beach. We can fuck in your daddy's car, but don't Snapchat that. I don't have to edit no pics to see your ass is fat. Let's head back to the trap, get it fast, take a sip, call it lift, tell a joke, I'ma laugh, and you know I'm a spaz, no coke, I'm a pass, we can talk, but I don't wanna know about your past.
What do you do?
Oh, I rap. Don't act like you ain't know that. Got an email with a beat that's attached.
The fucking Wi-Fi went out.
I don't think my phone working. You can't have my passcode. That shit make me so nervous. Might pull out my Snapchat. Look at all of these hoes twerking. What the fuck? I ain't got no service. No service. No service. I ain't got no service. No service. I ain't got no service.
I'm not. No, I don't want. I didn't want to actually vlog.
Just go.
I just wanted people to look at me.
Go. People are still gonna look at you weird. Yeah, kind of corky.
I know they're gonna tell you. What's up, guys? We're here at Walmart. You know, we're doing a $75 Walmart outfit challenge. I'm hella bad. I'm like a YouTuber. You know, we're here getting ready for the game. You know, on Saturday. You know, Fresno State versus Sacramento.
On Friday.
I said Saturday.
On Friday.
Yeah, I didn't say Friday.
I love that. I'll put you that in.
How could I silent?